Hi, I'm Sarah Hill, CEO of Healium. Thank you for trying our products. The simplest way to use Healium is without a wearable. These are beautiful, nature-based escapes that have the option to be powered by your brainwaves and your heart rate in virtual or augmented reality environments. Let's talk about the difference between virtual and augmented reality. Virtual reality includes these goggles that you put on and you're completely taken somewhere else. You don't have the ability to see the real world. All you see are beautiful nature-based escapes inside a computer-generated environment or inside 360-degree video. Augmented reality, on the other hand, you have the ability to see the real world. You're just using your mobile device in order to superimpose holograms across the screen.
Gently slow your breathing.
If you're using a wearable interaction, here's what you need to know. This is a BrainLink Lite EEG headband. You'll notice on the front of the headband there are sensors that are capturing your brainwave activity. Inside the Healium app, you have the ability to power the experience either with calm or focus. If you're meeting that certain threshold for a particular brain pattern, the firefly that you see on the screen will go up. So if that waveform is going up, you are meeting the mark. If it's going down, you need to recall more of a calm memory or more of a focused memory in order to try to make that firefly go up. If you see the background go red or the image dims, that's an indication that you're not meeting the mark. So that's how you use Healium, either with a wearable or without a wearable integration. A reminder, you can use our augmented reality products as well by searching Healium AR in your app store. For more information, you can go to tryhealium.com, check out our science section and all of our peer-reviewed journals. A reminder, your thoughts have power to control things, not only in the virtual world, but the real world as well.